Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are well. So, today I am going to share an interesting video on abbreviations which we use in our day-to-day life. So, check out that how many of them do you know? Watch this video till the end to learn something new. So, without any further ado, let's begin.
Aim. Ambition in mind. Aim. Anti-meridian. ATM. Automated teller machine. ASAP. As soon as possible. CCTV. Closed circuit television. Date. Day and time evolution. Bye. Be with you every time. Smile. Sweet memories in lips expression. DOB. Date of birth. Eat. Energy and taste. Doc. Document. Pen. Par enriched in nib. kg. Kindergarten. etc. etc. Okay. Objection killed. PM. Post meridian. SMS. Short message service. T. Taste and energy admitted. LOL. Laugh and loud. FIR. First information report. GIF. Graphics interchange format. ICU. Intensive care unit. Newspaper. North, east, west, south, past and present event reports. PAN. Permanent account number. VIP. Very important person. MPH. Miles per hour. SIM. Subscriber identity module. PTO. Please turn over. GPS. Global Positioning System. MRP. Maximum Retail Price. WWW. World Wide Web. Wi-Fi. Wireless fidelity.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. And if you really do, hit the like button. share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Till then, take care and bye bye.